What if AI could compose a beautiful symphony, design a futuristic city, write a heartfelt novel, and even generate life-saving medical solutions? Welcome to the mind-blowing world of generative AI. Generative AI is like a supercharged creativity engine, creating from scratch by learning from massive datasets and generating fresh, original content. From writing essays and designing visuals to composing music and building virtual worlds, generative AI is the force behind some of the coolest tech you've ever seen. Generative AI is shattering the limits of what machines can do, generating jaw-dropping images, crafting realistic human-like text, and creating videos. In the 1950s, AI was just starting to show promise. Fast forward to 2014, when generative adversarial networks began blowing minds. By 2025, generative AI is unstoppable, with groundbreaking models like GPT-4 and DALL-E 2 leading the charge. Generative AI is revolutionizing creativity, helping artists generate stunning visuals, compose original music, and write catchy lyrics. Writers, bloggers, and marketers are using AI to create high-quality content quickly, making content creation faster, easier, and more personalized. In healthcare, generative AI is predicting protein structures, simulating drug reactions, and designing new therapies, leading to faster breakthroughs. Game developers are using AI to create entire worlds, characters, and storylines on the fly, making every game unique. Marketers are tapping into AI to deliver hyper-personalized campaigns and ads, anticipating customer needs before they even know what they want. ChatGPT can generate human-like responses in seconds, making it perfect for writers and businesses alike. DALL-E 2 can generate detailed, mind-blowing images from just a text prompt, like having an artist on demand 24/7. Runway ML allows creators to generate video, images, and text without needing to open Photoshop or After Effects. AlphaFold is accelerating drug development by predicting protein structures, helping scientists find cures faster. AI-powered music platforms like Amper Music and JukeTech let you create original soundtracks in minutes, tailored to your needs. The latest version of ChatGPT can assist in everything from writing blog posts to developing complex project ideas. Midjourney lets digital artists generate images from text with astonishing quality, making it a go-to AI creative partner. Stable Diffusion is an open-source tool that generates high-quality images based on text descriptions, giving creators total control. Codex translates natural language commands into functional code, making coding accessible to everyone, regardless of expertise. Generative AI is no longer just a futuristic idea, it's here, changing everything from art and healthcare to business and entertainment. The future is yours to shape with generative AI.